Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer ESA savings to a broker managed account. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by verifying your eligibility to transfer your ESA savings to a broker managed account. Check the specific rules and regulations of your ESA provider regarding transfers. Gather all necessary documentation related to your educational savings account. Contact your chosen brokerage firm to discuss their requirements for managing your ESA funds. Request a transfer form from your brokerage, ensuring it's the correct version for ESA transfers. Fill out the transfer form, providing accurate details about your ESA account and the broker managed account. Ensure you include information such as account numbers, names, and addresses on the form. Review the completed form for any errors or omissions before submission. Submit the transfer form to your brokerage, along with any required additional documentation. Confirm that your brokerage has received your transfer request and keep a record of your submission. Monitor the transfer progress by regularly checking in with both your ESA provider and the brokerage. Expect the transfer process to take a few weeks, depending on the institutions involved. Verify the successful transfer by checking your broker managed account for the incoming funds. Once the funds are available, consult with your broker to discuss investment options tailored to your educational savings goals. Stay informed about the performance of your investments and make adjustments as needed to align with your educational plans. Maintain communication with your broker for ongoing support and to ensure your savings are growing effectively. Always keep records of your transactions and maintain documentation for future reference and tax purposes. Consider periodically reviewing your investment strategy to ensure it aligns with your educational needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.